Well, I'm here. Going to town on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? No, it's not Wednesday morning after Taco Tuesday. Well, I found a new mascot instead of that bunny. I've got a mouse hiding underneath my windshield wiper. Right, Bill?
Yep, you can see his beady little eyes.
Yeah.
Big fang teeth.
Is that a good place to ride? You know, it rains a lot here. I end up using those. Uh-oh, Bill's gonna move. There he is. Unbelievable. You know, winter's coming. Well, it's froze over now. So, I was drinking Powerade, but it's getting kind of cold out here. So I had to switch to this anti-gel stuff. Oh yeah, because we're putting an airbag in the rail trailer here. If anybody needs a good used airbag, I'll have it on my Amazon account. New airbag, heading out. Right? Let's see the new airbag. There it is right there. Think you guys would have fun working in there? Yeah, welcome to my life. Well, Bill did most of it, but I'll take credit for some. So I'm going to help a guy try to get his CDL today. We're going to use this truck and trailer. So this trailer was inspected in December of 2018. So it's, yeah, it's only November. Next month I'll have to have this completely re-inspected. Some guy questioned if we ever have our stuff inspected. You have to. It's the law. And just like the truck. What's that? You been seeing bucks? Chasing or? Well, we're here at the ODC. He's going in to do whatever he needs to do before he takes his test. This ought to be interesting. Time to do the pre-trip. A little cold this morning. I'm trying to get a bunch of number one in this truck. It's cooling off. That's the trouble. You don't know how much number one you're actually getting in there and how cold it'll be before it starts gelling. But hopefully I'll get more than enough in there to get, you know, at least 10 below or so. That should cover us most of the time, because I don't know when this truck will get started again. Who knows how cold it'll be the day we want to use it. Probably really cold. Well, I'm not sitting in that Blue Mac, so I must be sitting in a different Blue Mac. Third axle wasn't working, lifting on the trailer. The third axle lift was not working on the trailer. That's what I meant to say. The wire on the back of this came unplugged. So that was a pretty simple fix. Just pop it out, plug the wire in. Yeah, I know. That's the kind of fix I like. And I'm sitting in here with the heater on, trying to see if it's lifting or not. Who's that guy? So one smart thing to do is label your tires. So we have a balance issue on this, not for steer. It was a steer tire, but we're gonna run it out on a trailer. It's still plenty of tread on it. So we're gonna throw it on the rail trailer. So we're over here at the lowboy truck, and you went, why is that on there? Oh, yuck. I think I need to replace the muffler too. But these things, these clamps, that one's rotted right off and gone. So I got some new ones. Do you know these things are $86 a piece? All because they say PACCAR on them. Well, it's not really smoking that bad, is it? So yeah, I just torched off the heads of those bolts. Well, that thing in there, this thing, I ended up torching the heads off the bolts. Pretty sure the bolts are Minnesota welded inside this aluminum block. So, this might be a battle. Well, with a little work, I did manage to get these off. Kind of stuck on there. Can't imagine that. Alright, now it's time to get these bolts out of this block. This might be a fight. So the 3-pound persuader would not knock them out. So I think I'm going to weld a nut on here. I suppose I could try this nut. Yeah, I'll try that first. And heat this. I suppose I got to be careful if it's aluminum. You know, aluminum does not like to be heated beyond its melting point at all. So I'm heating the aluminum block and heating this bolt that I cut off because it's corroded in there. Now I'm going to screw down the nut and try to pull it up through. Hopefully this will work. Hey, it worked. With a little squeaking, unless that was a mouse. Oh, look at that. Come on. So close. There it went. I think that was corroded. That's why them bolts wouldn't come out. Nasty. A lot of times I like to compare the old part to the new part just to make sure they're the same. They don't look the same. This must be the wrong part. Well, I think I'll put it anyway. Anybody wants this, you can have it. So after a trip to the hardware store to get the right size grade 8 nuts, because we didn't have any here, I think the bottom's back together. And it's mandatory that you grab this handle and pull on it and make sure it's sturdy. It's DOT. You gotta do it. Dylan thought this wheel seal was leaking. I think he's right. Well, I pulled the axle out of it. I'm going to take the bearings out, slide the hub off, and replace that seal. Not the walrus, the seal. Looks like Dean wants to run the Lemco. You sickos. That's not what's happening here.
Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a